Hey guys, the name's Sonic, and I'm back again with another gameplay. This one is of a game called Royale, and I'm not alone. I'm here with one of my good buddies, Knuckles. Hey Knuckles!
Hey Sonic, ready to play?
I'm ready to go. This is basically kinda like Fortnite. The only difference is you don't build anything, you have abilities. You can pick classes between warrior, mage, assassin, and hunter. I am a warrior, and Knuckles is a mage.
Yeah.
And we found a game already. This should be fun.
That was quick. If only with my
Well, that's
classes
quick, huh?
I can fly, which is pretty accurate to me at least.
Pretty accurate to you, yeah. I mean, you can glide through the air, so...
Yeah, basically the same
I
thing.
don't know what the warrior does. I've not played as him yet. But he looks pretty beefy.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, look at the cover picture there of an axe.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't mess with him.
And I might rough him up a little bit. But I think we could probably be friends
I
after.
mean, I know you try. Here we go. Oh, look, I got a little knife.
I got
Whoa!
a knife too.
You just appeared in front of me, like, whoa!
Yeah. Let's go to,
where to, Knuckles?
how about Ice Haven?
Oh, yeah,
Looks
we can
pretty
go
neat.
there. We can go there. Are we ready to jump?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go! Whoa! Oh, this is kind of cool. I really hope I don't hit those mountains.
Yeah, that would kind of suck. Then again, I think we can just climb
Yeah.
past him.
I have a feeling I might be going head first into a mountain right now. No, I'm past it. I'm past it.
You're fine, it's okay, no need to worry.
I'm okay. Hey, I thought Christmas was over. Look at this place.
Guess it's just a very snowy area.
And punch a tree!
Look, the entire lake is frozen.
Okay, oh, I thought that was somebody else, but it's you.
Yeah, I'm just flying around.
Got scared for a second.
I think I hear people.
You hear more moving.
Yeah.
Oh, they're below us. They're below us.
Get back here.
There they are. Let's go, Nux. Got it. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Someone's above us.
I had a shield. I'm reloading.
Oh, I'm a chicken.
Uh-oh.
I got hit. Oh, oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
It's up to
You're
me
on
now.
your own, bud. I'm just watching you. You got this. Behind
trying.
you!
Uh-oh.
Run, chicken, run!
I'm running!
Run! No! No! Oh, we got pwned.
Yeah. Place 38th.
That's okay. That's okay. We can
do it
That's
again.
the thing about these games. They're quick.
Yeah.
We can do another one.
Can get right back in.
Oh, wow. Look. Knuckles, over here, where I am.
Oh, I'm coming over.
Look,
yeah.
it's a fox lady.
Oh, yeah. It's like Tails, but like a girl and,
Is that Tails of Co? I think so. Maybe.
who's it what now?
You know, look, the other dimension where we're all girls.
I don't think I've been introduced,
Tails introduced.
to that yet.
No, you don't know anything about it. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Let's go to, Jade Gardens.
All right. I'm off.
Let's go.
Whee! I don't want to land on those mushrooms. They don't look friendly.
Yeah, they kind of look poisonous.
Yeah, a little. We'll land directly on that house. Here we go.
Let's
Do
go.
it. Or land
Straight out of the house.
right in front of it. Right in front of it! Yeah, right in front of it.
Oh, I can't land on the house. I was falling forever.
No.
Let's go over this way, I guess. Oh,
Here's
there's a person.
Get him!
He's a
Get
chicken.
her, chicken!
Yeah, we got him.
Yeah!
Awesome.
Good job, buddy. Move 25% faster when you're a chicken. Awesome.
Sounds pretty good.
I'm gonna be a speedy chicken. I'm looking around just in case.
Yeah, I don't see anybody else. I think we're okay. Ooh. Legendary.
Ooh, you pick it up, buddy.
Yeah.
I'll take this.
Uh-oh.
Ow, 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 ow!
Got a big old minigun. I'm reloading. Gotta get out of
Ow,
here.
ow, ow, ow!
I'm flying away a little bit. Going down a healing station for myself.
I'm healing. Oh no,
Coming
my
out here.
chicken! Ah! No! Die! Go!
Oh,
Go,
man, I have a
Knuckles!
chicken now.
No, run! Run, Knuckles, run! Run, my chicken friend!
I'm running.
You got 13 seconds! No! No! Run! Hide behind the rock! They'll never find you!
That's what I'm doing. Come on, one more second. Yes!
Yeah! Go Knuckles!
Oh no, I'm in a chicken again!
No!
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 That was too quick!
Run! Use your health pot when you regenerate.
Uh-oh.
Which is H. You press H.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Uh-oh.
No!
Ah.
No! Knuckles! H!
No, I just gotta... where'd they go?
I don't know!
They're over there.
He disappeared! There he is!
Oh no, I'm reloading. No! Oh. I'm the worst at this.
Go Knuckles, go! You did so well!
Well, it's still lost in the end. Well, you know, we did better than last time, at least.
We gave 18th.
Yeah. Better than 30th.
That's not bad. I don't know how you did that. You went the ultimate chicken.
Unfortunately, I was the worst human.
Too many chili dogs! I hope they've got reinforced like leg armor, because this is a long way down.
Yeah. I think we'll be okay that we do the superhero landing.
Yeah! Heading for this hut. Boom! Ooh.
I hear horses.
You hear what? Horses? That's not good.
Yeah.
I got a really bad gun. Oh, I see him.
I've almost got him down to a chicken. There we go.
Got him! He's a
Nice.
duck! He's a dead duck!
Yep.
Your chicken wings.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's cool. All right, let's get over to the area because we're gonna
Yeah, if we don't, we
get
might
into
get
the
in
fog
trouble.
soon. Dun, 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 dun.
Wait, hold on, I got just a thing.
You got your kazoo. I mean, you did say you carried it around with you, so
Yeah, exactly.
I shouldn't be that surprised.
But it is a catapult. Let's go!
Whoa, my buddy! I'm coming, buddy. Don't worry, I'm on my way.
I'll wait here for you.
Sonic speed! Oh, how do I land? Oh, oh, there's a guy.
Where's he at?
He's gone up here. He's in there somewhere.
Yeah, I see him. I'm a chicken. Uh-oh. Gotta run.
I'm a chicken too! Dead chicken! Run, Knuckles, run!
Trying.
Go, little buddy! Ah!
This isn't good.
Yes!
I'm okay. Uh-oh.
Go, turret! Go!
Do the thing, turret. Okay, heal up. Uh-oh. They're coming from all sides. Oh, no!
No!
I gotta run! No!
We got kicked out. 12! That's not bad.
Yeah.
We did pretty good.
I think that's about
Pretty good. That's the best one so far. We need to eliminate people. That's the worst thing. We're bad at eliminating people.
We gotta get the shooting part down.
Alright, I think next time we need to get some more friends involved.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Get a whole squad, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe get Tails in.
Maybe even Rouge at some point.
Yeah, absolutely. We can always ask around. Anyway, guys, let's just skip out of this part. There we go. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of me and Knuckles getting absolutely destroyed on Realm Royale. Knuckles, thank you so much for being with me today.
Well, thanks for having me. It was a lot of fun.
It was fun. If you guys want to check out Knuckles' channel, I'll put a link in the description below. But for now, I want you guys to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new, and comment on what your favorite part was. But for now, me and Knuckles gotta go fast. So, see you later, guys! Bye!
Bye-bye.